Yeah, I have an album. Actually, I have 3 albums though. Yeah, I've had like 1, 2, which I've been enjoying only myself, you know. And,
I don't understand. You just make songs. You make songs. You produce 2 albums, and you haven't even put it out there for people to see or listen to.
No.
Like I don't understand kind of.
No, it's how do I
Okay,
break it down?
yeah.
Yeah, so it's a marketer or distributor. Once I get one, it will come out definitely.
Okay, it's a very wonderful thing that you're here right now.
Onye nani ya puchuku otokwa kataka woko biyoma ikuku ọma n'ọnya onye nani ya na-ekwokwo bịa na mmezi chioma me.
Jesus got me like oh, Jesus got me like oh, Jesus got me like oh, Jesus got me like hey.
Heal the pieces of my heart, cure the sickness. I am tired of forgiveness. Let your light shine through.
I ask the Lord when I'm starting to clear me down, when I'm in trouble to help me out, when I am stubborn and I am wrong and knock me out, when I need a friend, reveal the scum to send me comfort when love is gone, when I am weak, make me strong, Lord, make me faster when I face the gun. Hush, 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 life ain't no high. With Jesus, nothing is impossible. There's so much that you can do in this life with Jesus. With Jesus, with Jesus.
How did we get it wrong? How are we flawed? Thinking you're ugly cause God no us. Thinking because you're black, you're ash. If you shall go and start a fire, you're pretty the way you are. Think you're a star, you are. Every car needs a driver. Own your life.
Now I'm a shaman. We in the next level, the place that I call heaven. People designed to do the unusual. With Jesus there's no impossible. We in the next lane. We stand in the midst of rain. To the world I'm insane, but be raining Jesus. People they ask me, now waiting they make me, People they ask me, say, I beg now waiting they make me crazy. Hey, he's the most high, he's the most high God.
I'm on sky in the midst of fire, and ruffled inside dirty water. Lord, take my hand, Shebemo. Keep me, Lord, Debemo.
Trying hard is for people who don't know God. God is good, no doubt. Show me through my darkness, now the true light. Give me his life that I don't deserve. Used to full tank on the wrong path, and I came back, but I did that on reserve. I've lost a lot, but I learned a lot. Nothing past God on here, what you've heard. I'm revved up like an engine inside a Lamborghini. Every day is open season. 160 is my forte. My money grows on trees, economy licks my fortune. Multiple income streams, heavy metal slashes on ocean.